Hello, everyone.
Hi, friends. Welcome back.
Welcome to Simple Speak.
We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, today we will talk about your daily routine.
That means what you do every day.
Morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
Very simple, very useful.
And this will help you speak English in real life.
Yes, you can use this with friends, teachers, or at work.
Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to Simple Speak.
Yes, it really helps us and helps you learn more English every day.
Okay, let's start. David, tell me, what do you do in the morning?
Good question. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Oh, that is early.
Not too early.
Okay. I wake up at 8 a.m.
Ah, you like sleep.
Yes, I love sleep. So I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth.
Yes, very important.
Then I wash my face.
Do you drink water?
Yes, I drink a glass of water.
Good habit.
Then I make tea.
Oh, nice. I drink coffee.
Tea or coffee, both are good.
Yes, so friends, listen and repeat. Slowly.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I drink water.
Now your turn.
What time do you wake up?
Say it slowly.
I wake up at...
Good. Keep going.
After that, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
Sometimes bread and eggs.
Yummy.
Sometimes I eat fruit.
Healthy.
What about you?
I eat simple food, like toast or banana.
Nice, easy, and quick.
Yes, because I feel lazy in the morning.
That's okay.
Friends, repeat with us.
I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I drink coffee. I eat bread and eggs.
After breakfast, I go to work.
Do you walk or drive?
I usually walk.
Oh, nice. Good exercise.
Yes, it takes 15 minutes.
I work from home.
Oh, lucky.
Yes, I stay in my pajamas sometimes.
Oh no, really?
Just kidding.
So friends, you can say, I go to work.
I go to school.
I work from home.
I walk to work.
Now think.
Do you go to work or school?
Say it in English.
I go to...
Very good.
Now, afternoon.
Yes. What do you do in the afternoon?
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
What do you eat?
Rice, vegetables, sometimes chicken.
Sounds delicious.
What about you?
I eat simple food, like rice and vegetables.
Nice.
After lunch, I feel sleepy.
Me too.
Sometimes I take a short nap.
Ah, good idea.
Friends, repeat.
I have lunch. I eat rice. I feel sleepy. I take a nap.
Now let's talk about evening.
Yes, my favorite time.
Why?
Because I relax.
Nice.
I watch TV or listen to music.
What kind of music?
Soft music.
Good for relaxing. What do you do?
I go for a walk.
Healthy again.
I try.
Sometimes I meet friends.
That is fun.
Yes, we talk and laugh.
Friends, repeat. I watch TV. I listen to music. I go for a walk. I meet friends.
Now, nighttime.
What do you do at night?
I eat dinner at 8 p.m.
Same here.
Then I relax.
Do you use your phone?
Yes, too much.
Me too.
Then I brush my teeth.
Very important again.
Yes, and I go to bed at 10:30.
Good time. What about you?
I sleep at 11 p.m.
Late.
A little.
Repeat with us. I eat dinner. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I sleep at 10 p.m.
Now let's say a full sentence.
Listen carefully. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
I have lunch. I relax in the evening. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Now, you try.
Say your daily routine.
Slowly, step by step. David, one question. Yes? Do you ever forget to brush your teeth? No, never.
I forgot one time.
Oh no.
I felt very strange all day.
Lesson, brush your teeth.
Yes, very important.
Now, answer these.
What time do you wake up?
What do you eat for breakfast?
Do you work or study?
What do you do in the evening?
What time do you sleep?
Say your answers in English.
Great job today.
You are improving every day.
Keep practicing.
Speak a little English every day.
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are okay.
Yes, we make mistakes too.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
what is your daily routine?
Or what is your favorite part of the day?
Morning, afternoon, or night?
We want to read your answers.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.